Hello everyone. Welcome back in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 9th, 2020. The second binary number 2. I will continue, and this will be a number 1730. Before I start, I always count the the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here an O, there no. Double 1, here an O, there no. We have here 3 1's. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Let me see. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think we need to compare some columns here. This column and that column. 1, 1, empty box, O, 1, 1, O, 1, 1, O, correct. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 4 1's in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. We have now 4 O's in the second row, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here an O, there no. 4 O's in the first row, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then. Let me see. Do I need to compare? Yes, I need to compare. Wait, we have here 3 1's. So if I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. If I place number 4 in this column, the 4th one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have still 3 O's. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. 1, 2, 3 1's. If I place number 4 here in this column, then we have 3 O's in this column. Not allowed, so this cannot be 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here in this row, then we have 3 1's in a row. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1's. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And now we need to compare. Yes. Let me see. Yeah. This column and that column. O, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, O, O, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch those two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finished in 5 minutes again. Alright, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the first tectonic of today. So see you later. Bye bye for now.